Hello friends, I am Nisha. Welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we started with chapter 4 data handling and we covered question 1 and 2. So now today we are going to start up with question number 3. Let us understand the question. The question says that draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. This is the table given to you. Based on this table, you have to draw a pie chart. If you remember in the previous question, we had prepared a pie chart. For that, the very important thing is we should have central angle. So we will find central angle for each color, and based on that angle, we will draw the pie chart. Okay, let us start now. Now we all know how to find the central angle. Now first we need to find the total number of people. We have to add the number of people for each color, right? So 8 plus 9, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 6. 1 carried forward, 2. 26, 2 plus 1, 3, 36. So we have total number of people is equal to 36. Total number of people is equal to 36 people. Now here we will just find the central angle for each color. For blue, the formula is total number of people who liked blue divided by total number of people 36 into 360 degrees. So if you find the answer here, 36 gone, 180 into 10 is equal, 18 into 10 is 180 degrees. Okay, in the same way, number of people who liked green, 9 divided by total number of people 36 multiply by 360 degree. You know why we are taking 360 degree? Because the circle, one circle always form 360 degree. Okay, so 36 divided by 360 is 10 and 10 nines are is 90 degree. Okay, now when we talk about red, 6 people like red color. So let us find central angle for red color. So number of people who like 6 divided by total number of people multiply by 360 degrees. So again you can see here 36 tens are 360 and 6 tens are is 60. So here we have 60 degrees, right? Now moving on to yellow, 3 people like yellow color. So out of 36, 3 people prefer yellow color, multiply by 360 degrees. So again 3 into 10 will give you 30 degrees. So we have got central angle for each color. Now we will prepare a pie chart. So let us start, students, preparing a pie chart. Okay students, let us now draw the pie chart over here based on this information. Okay, we already have the central angle. You'll just take a compass or a rounder, make a circle out of it. Okay, now first you will take a scale and draw a radius. Just first mention the center point, students. Okay, so just draw a center point over here. This is your center point. Now from your center point to a point on the circumference of the circle, draw the radius. So your radius is ready now. Okay, so now first thing we'll show number of people liked blue color. Okay, so here 180 degree. From taking this as the base, take your D or your protractor, match the center point and the base with the circle, this center point and the base like this, and from starting from 0 you have to do 180. So protractor itself is whole 180. From here if you go 0, 100, 120, 180 comes here. Okay, here. So it is somewhere a straight line, obviously, from here to here. Okay, so again join This is 180 degree and this is, mark it like this and show 180 degrees. 180 degrees. I hope it is visible, students. And it is blue color. So you can just show here blue. You can write here or outside, wherever you want. Blue. Okay. Now when we move on to the next color, green, that is 90 degree. So now how we will keep your D, your protector? What you will do is, you can take this as your base like this. See, I am holding like this, and the center point of the circle and that of the D, match it, and starting from 0 you have to reach 90 degrees. 90 is somewhere here, so make a point. I have put a dot over here, it is 90 here, and then using a scale, show the angle. So this is 90 degree, and which color does it show? That is green. So this is 90 degree, green. Okay, now moving on to next 60 degrees, that is red. So let us draw 60 degrees. How will you draw 60 degrees? Now join this center and this radius with the protector. So if I start like this, yes, from 0 to I'll go to 60. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 comes here. Okay, exactly here. So now I'll again draw the line to show the angle. So starting from the center point till the dot, draw the radius. So this is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. You can see, students, 60 degrees, and this is red color. This portion shows number of people who like red color. Now the last one, yellow. Now here you may not need to draw the degree because the remaining is already 30 degrees. But if you want, you can use a protector to measure it, whether it is 30 degree or not, and it will obviously be 30 degrees. So here you can write 30 degrees and yellow. 30 degrees and this is yellow. Okay, so I hope, students, this is very much clear. We have finished with the pie chart here. Do write the heading pie chart showing the colors preferred by a group of people. Okay, and then you draw the pie chart. Make it neat and clean and visible and label it properly with the degrees and the information given. Okay, students, now moving on to the next question. Thank you so much. Okay, students, now moving on to question number 4. The question number 4 is having 3 sub questions. The first one, in which, let us understand the question first, students. Now this is the score of a student in his 5 subjects. Okay, so he has some, according to the pie chart, maths 90 degrees, as social science 65, science 80, Hindi 70 and English 55. Okay, so this is what the information given about the marks scored by one student. Okay, so now first question asked is, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? 105 marks here scored in which subject? Now here they have given the degrees, but we can find the marks for each subject. How? Now this degrees are out of 360. Okay, suppose I am taking out for math. Let us first take out marks of each subject. First I am taking math. So if I want to find out marks out of 360, why 360? Because this whole circle makes 360 degree. Out of 360, 90 degrees. 360 degrees. Multiply by what? 540. Total number of marks he has scored in each subject. Multiply by 540. So this, if you I am doing the calculation here, students, I'll erase it then. 90 upon 360 multiply by 540. So 0 0 gone. 9 4s are 36. 540 divided by 4. Now 540 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. 1 carried forward. 4 3s are 12. 13 14 2. 4 5s are 20. So 135 marks. In maths, how many marks did he score? 135 marks in maths. Okay, students. So in maths, he has scored 135. Now let us now find out marks scored in social science. 65 out of 360 multiply by 540. So if I calculate, let us do the calculation here. 65 upon 360 multiply by 540, 0 0 gone. Okay, now 9 6 are 54, 9 4s are 36. Let us multiply 65 into 6 is equal to 6 5s are 30, 0 3 carried forward, 6 is a 36, 37, 38, 39, 390 divided by 4. 4 7s are 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, sorry, 4 9s are 36, 4 7s are 28. So 30 minus 28 is 2. Put a decimal 0. 4 5s are 20. So here 97.5, that is what he has scored in social science. 97.5 marks in social science. Okay, let us now check over Hindi. Hindi. Now if you check Hindi, he has scored 70 degrees. So 70 out of 360 into 540 will give you how much? So 70 upon 360 into 540, if you do 0 0 gone. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Okay, 3 6 are 18, 3 9s are 27. 9 zeros are 0, 9 7s are 63, divided by 6 1s are 6, 0 carried down 3, 3 is smaller than. Okay, so I will also bring down 0. When I bring two numbers together, I'll put a 0 here. So I'll have 30, 6 5s are 30. So 105. In Hindi, he has got 105 marks. Okay. Now check the question. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? That is Hindi. Okay. You can just show the calculations here. The student scored 105 marks in Hindi. You can show this whole calculation of Hindi over here. Okay, so that just to show that these are the marks he has scored. How many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? Now we have also got the marks of mathematics and Hindi here. How many more marks did the student score in mathematics? So if you compare, has he scored more in mathematics? Yes. So let us find out. In maths he has scored 135 and in Hindi he has scored 105 marks. So here we can, to find how many more marks did he score in maths, we have to subtract. Okay. So let us write number of more marks he scored more in math or mathematics than in Hindi. In Hindi is equal to 135 minus 105. If you subtract, students, 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 0 is 3 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So how many more marks did he score in math? 30 more marks. Okay, so we finished here with question 4, sub question number 1 and 2. Now we have one more sub question number 3 in this question. So let us do that. Okay students, question number 4, sub question number 3. Examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and maths, sum of the marks obtained in social science and maths is more than that in science and Hindi. So we have to sum up the scores of social science and maths and compare that with the sum of science and maths. So let us do it. Social science ke marks we are having, maths के marks also we are having, हिंदी के marks है साइंस के मार्क्स हमको फाइंड आउट करने पड़ेंगे. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट मार्क्स इन साइंस सब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो साइंस का मैं यहां लिख रही हूं 80 divided by 360, sorry, हाँ, 80 divided by 360 multiply by total number of marks he has scored, that is 540. ओके, अब इसको हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. यहाँ पे 80 divided by 360 multiply by 540 अगर आप करते हो, 0 0 gone, 9 4s are 36, 9 6s are 54, 4 20s are 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12. So साइंस में 120 मार्क्स उसने स्कोर किए हैं. ओके, so now what we will do, first add up sum of the total marks in as social science and maths. Do that. Sum of the marks obtained in social science and math. How much? Social science and math 135 plus 97.5. 135 plus 97.5 इसको अगर ऐड करेंगे तो okay students, so if I add here I'll get answer 135 plus 97.5.0. so if I add up 0.5 as it is, 7 plus 5 7 8 9 10 11 12 2 1, 9 plus 1 10 plus 2 13 3 1, so it is 232.5. Sorry. Now we will add up the marks of these two subjects, science and Hindi, and then we will compare. Sum of the marks obtained in science and Hindi. So how much he has scored in science? 120. And how much he has scored in Hindi? 105 plus 105. So if you add up, 0 plus 5 is 5, 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 225. Okay, so here if you check, the question is asking, examine, that means you have to check whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and maths is more. Sum of the marks obtained in social science and maths is more than the marks obtained in science and Hindi. Is it true? Yes, it is true. This is more than this. This is 232.5 and this is 225. So you can write yes. Do write the statement by your own, students, please. Yes, the sum of the marks obtained in social science and maths is more than that in science and Hindi. This was a bit lengthy but a very simple question, students. So now moving on to the last question of this exercise. Let us do that. Okay, students. Now moving on to question number 5. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. Okay, now here this is the data given. Okay, these are the number of students. 40 students speak Hindi, 12 students speak English, 9 students speak Marathi, 7 students speak Tamil, 4 students speak Bengali. So the total number of students are 72. So whenever we draw a pie chart, we need to first find the central angle. So let us do that. Okay, very simple. For central angle, number of students speaking Hindi divided by total number of students multiplied by 360. Okay, so here it will be 40 upon 72 multiplied by 360 degrees, then 12 divided by 72 multiplied by 360 degrees. Video and find the angles by your own, and after 5 minutes cross check it. Okay, I hope you all have found out the central angle. So just cross check it, students. We can make it easier like this. Like 360 and 72. If you divide 360 by 72, It will be 5 are 5 2 are 10, 0 1, 5 7 35 36. So each numerator multiplied by 5 and you got your central angle. So 45 are, okay, so first 40 into 5, what is 40? 4 5s are 20 and one more 0, that is 200 degrees. Then 72 5s are 360, 12 5s are 60 degrees. Again 72 5s are 9 5s are 45 degrees. Again 75 5s are 360, 7 5s are 35 degrees. Again 72 5s are and 4 5s are is 20 degrees. So we have got the central angle. Now let us quickly form a pie chart. Let us do it, students. So first step, we'll draw a circle. Let us first draw a circle, students. Make a center point and draw a circle. Okay, now the center point is here. Okay, now we have here 200 degrees, 60 degree, 45 degree, 35 degree, 200 degrees. To form 200 degrees is very difficult. We cannot form 200 using a D or a protractor. So what we will do is we'll start from 60 degrees. Okay, make a radius like this, and using this center and this radius as a base, will form 60 degrees. So here match the center point of the circle with the center point of the protractor, and starting from here 0, we have to form 60 degrees. 60, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 comes here. Okay, so now we will form 60 degrees like this. I hope you can see, students. This is 60 degrees. And you can show that 60 degree means this is the portion showing students speak which language? English. Okay, after that you can take 45 using your D, taking this as center and this as the radius and base of the protractor. You can form 45 degrees. Let us do it. Center and the radius, I have to draw 45, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, and here this is 45, 40, and here 45. Okay, students, so 45 angle is ready. Very simple. So this is 45 degrees, and 45 degrees it is shown by which language? Marathi. So here you can write Marathi. Okay, now after 45 it is 35 degrees. Again take the match it like this. 35 starting from 0. देखिए आप दिख जाओगे कैमरा में, वापस जाओ, कैमरा में दिख जाओगे, अब बैठ जाओ, गो. हाँ बस अब सामने ही आना बेटा. So here starting from 0 I have to form 35 degrees. 0, 10, 20, 30, and this is what is 35. So I am ready with 35 degrees also. Okay, here 35 degrees. 35 degrees, and that is Tamil. Which language? 35 degrees shows Tamil language. Tamil language. Okay, now Bengali. Bengali is 20 degrees. Let us take 20 degrees here, students. Very simple. Again, match the center point and the base of the protector. I have to show 20 degrees. 0, 10 and 20. 20 comes very near, that is here. 20 degrees is ready. So, (20°) is which language here, students? 20 degrees is which language? It is showing Bengali. So here you can write Bengali. Now you can see this big portion, that is 200 degrees. The remaining portion will be now 200 degrees. This is 200 degrees and this is representing which language? Hindi. Okay students, so here our pie chart gets ready. Again, very important thing, before you draw the pie chart, do mention here what you are showing in the pie chart. You have to show pie chart showing the member of students in hostel speaking different languages. Okay, so I hope students drawing the pie chart is now easy for you. So we have finished with exercise 4.1 today. We will be starting the next exercise 4.2 in our next video. So thank you so much and have a nice day, students. Bye bye.